Today I wanted to show you guys how to scalp a play, how to know when to get in and when to get out on a quick scalp. If you want to make that quick buck, you got a good $3,000 to $5,000 you want to throw in a play really quickly and just make a quick buck and get out. What I use for that kind of method, and what I try to teach everyone, is it's called the 9 EMA. So I like to use the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. So let me write that down for you just so you know. So it would be the 9 EMA 5-minute chart. So this is what I use to find a good scalps. So how to use the 9 EMA is a little bit simple. I basically go off 2 candles below the 9 EMA or above the 9 EMA. So as you can see here, let's start off from this position. So we got a red candle that's right in between the line. Then you got another red candle, and then you got another red candle. So these two would be 2 red candles below the 9 EMA, which is this green line. So as you can see, when we got 2 red candles, we were bearish through and through. We got one green little candle. Now many people will think, oh, this is a support. Let me get in here and try to move it all the way back up to $146. Well, that's not the case. You always need at least 2 green candles, and you want it to go above the 9 EMA to assure that this is going to be a bullish play. So as you can see, we got one green candle here, and then we got another 2 red candles. So it just continued to be bearish. Then you got a green candle and a red candle. And then you got one green candle and the second green candle, which is a little bit above the 9 EMA. This over here would be considered a play. So over here you would have been able to get into this play at around $144.89. And you would have been able to take it all the way up to $145.45. So this would have been a good 144 to 145, a good $1.44 play. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is Apple, so this is a big jump for Apple, for moving up $1 or $2. So this is a big nice scalp play, and we could have been able to get out over here. Because as soon as you can see that the next 2 red candles was 1, 2, and the second candle was below the EMA, 9 EMA, and then that's when you see another green candle, another red candle, and as you can see, it went all the way down to $144 or $143. Now, this is easy to do with options as well. So this is something you can scalp with options or trading stocks. So as you can see, another 2 red candles were below the 9 EMA, and that's when we kept going. So 2 red candles here, and we kept going down, bearish, bearish. Then we got 2 green candles, then a red candle, okay, and we're still under the 9 EMA. So this is still not considered a play to get into. So then we got a red candle, and then we got a small green and a big large green candle that hit above the 9 EMA. Now understand this, it hit above the 9 EMA again. As soon as that happened, what happened? It continued to be bullish. A little bit bullish, still above 9 EMA, still above 9 EMA, still above, and it just continued. Okay, even these 2 red candles is still above the 9 EMA. The second one is right in between it. And then you got another 2 green candles above the 9 EMA. And as you can see, it just kept going above the 9 EMA. Now over here, we got 2 red candles. So what does this mean? 2 red candles, meaning it's going to be bearish. Okay, so as soon as you got into this one, it'd be 145, and it went all the way down to 144.57. Then the next green candle, this green candle under 2 green candles above the 9 EMA, and it continued to be bullish. As you can see, this is a good indication that the stock will continue to become bullish. 2 red EMAs, as you can see, under the EMAs was bearish. 2 green, one a little bit bullish. 2 reds, a little bit bearish. 1 big green candle, all red candles. And it just so on and so on and so on. It just keeps continuing and continuing throughout the whole chart. And if you continue to keep going and seeing this method, it works out and it plays out almost all the time. See, as you can see, we come all the way up to today's date. We got 2 red candles below the EMA, and we went all the way down to 145.84. Then we got 2 green candles above the 9 EMA, and then we got 2 red candles. As you can see, it's kind of like a snake. So to make quick scalps and to get into really good options, this is a very good way to play the charts. So let me write this down for you. That way you understand. So we are bullish if it's 2 green candles above 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. And we are bearish to, excuse me, let me fix that, 2 red candles below 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. So try to play this out. It's something that I truly love working with, and it works. Like I said, almost 80, I want to say 80 to 90% of the time it works. It's really good, easy to scalp. It could be even easier to play on a different stock, like such as, let's say, let's go with NEO. You know, as you can see with NEO, we can go ahead and check out these charts. As you can see here, we've been red under the 9 EMA, 2 green under the EMA, and then we got 2 green above the 9 EMA. This would be a good indication of an entry. And as you can see, it's been bullish through and through. Then we got 2 red EMAs, 1 touching the 9 EMA. This would still kind of not be a full-on indication because it's right on the line. So as you can see, we kind of got a green one with a resistance, okay? And then we got 2 red candles below the 9 EMA, and that's when it continued to become bearish. And then a green candle, and then a red candle, and then 2 green above the 9 EMA. Now, as soon as we got 2 green above the 9 EMA, as you can see, we continue to become bullish. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully, this motivates you to scalp trades and to know how to get into a play really quickly and make a quick buck. Because I know there's a lot of people that would love to put $5,000 or $10,000 into one play, and it moves up 20 to 50 cents, and that's a big profit to them, because the more money you put in, obviously, is the more money that you put out. So I hope you guys understood it. If you have any questions, please hit me up on the Discord, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you so much, and have a good day.